spoken. Girl of my dreams, 'cause it's true. I am nothing without you. I made my mistake.
Tapusin mo nga.
Yan. Paano kung hindi?
Tapusin mo.
Paano nga kung hindi?
Tapusin mo nga.
Paano kung hindi? Kunyari, di ko siya tapos. Paano kung hindi ko siya natapos? Bakit? Baka may istorbo sa pag-iiyak mo. Joke lang. Pikun.
Talk.
Ito.
Bakit?
Wala. Tumingin lang ako. Check ko lang yun. Pagkalabas ko, papakalbo ko. What?
Our school? Yeah. It's run by Jesuits.
Where did you get it?
I'll ask, and then I'll tell you. You want one?
I have a friend called Debrito.
Only one?
Fabrizio.
Fabrizio in Italy.
Yeah, but not he has family Italian.
You know San Ignacio?
Yeah.
That's our patron.
Yeah?
Yes.
That's why I know
No song.
Al contrario kung sila yung Bengote. Cruel terror. E di siyempre Campeia, Minuelo, Martial.
This is from your school?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's from, what do you call this? It's like a camp. And then they chose me to participate in a Jesuit thing. Like a...
That's when you wear those clothes like or that's normal.
What?
The shirt you were wearing.
What?
They saw in the photograph also.
What?
The shirt, the white shirt.
What photograph?
Where did I see a photograph?
When?
It's you and all your class.
Huh?
Where did I see that photograph?
Ah! No, it's a barong.
Barong, what's a barong?
This one?
Yeah.
No, it's just it's a Filipino...
Uniform for school.
No. Uniform is really different from that.
Yeah? How is the uniform here?
It's a blue...
Sweater?
No, blue... Polo.
Oh,
And then
yeah, the green
white...
polo. Yeah.
No, beige. Beige pants.
Pants? Oh, nice.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
That one is the Filipino... The national... suit. So,
Yeah, that's right. I've seen it everywhere, but I was thinking, is it some, like a school or something? What? No, all that is mine, Batista. This, mine.